Hey guys, Capper here. Welcome to our snowy Southern Missouri Ozarks farm. It's January, I think, 25th, and it's only 11 degrees, go figure. And they're saying we got between 6 and 8 inches in our area. So we are going to take out the new Toro Snow Master. See how it does in cleaning up the driveway here before Monday morning and all the hustle and bustle starts. So let's check it out. All right, we're gonna see how she does cold start. So let's check it out. All right, many years ago I had a Toro just like this. I mean, literally 25 years ago. And one, yeah, I think that's the choke. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, not bad, 2 pulls. The chute figured out. Let's try it again. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, man, it was so cold out here. Both of our fingers were freezing after like 6 or 7 minutes. So we may not finish this all today, but we're gonna try out this new snowblower, and we're probably gonna head in a little bit prematurely to warm up. Shit.
Alright, I'm going to peel.
Yeah, I'm going right now. Bull. Woo! Oh, jeez. Oh, I think it's like 10 below wind chill. Yeah, that's cold. Even with my heavy winters, I'm numb. My fingers are numb. No thanks to blood thinners, but hey, we got a little cleanup going.